June 12. Today is Independence Day. At nakakatawa isipin na habang ang iba'y nagdiriwang ng kalayaan, heto ako. Sinusubukang maintindihan kung paano ba maging malaya mula sa isang taong naligtahanan ko. Because nobody really talks about this kind of freedom. Hindi yung freedom na masaya. Hindi yung freedom na ipinaglalaban. Kundi yung freedom na napipilitan kang tanggapin. Yung kalayaang kapalit ay yung taong akala mo makasama mo habang buhay. And for the longest time, I thought loving you meant staying. Staying through the uncertainties. Staying through distance. Staying through the days where I questioned everything except my love for you. Kasi para sa akin, ganun naman talaga ang pagmamahal, diba? You stay. You choose. You endure. You wait. Kaya naghintay ako. Sa mga panahong hindi mo alam ang gusto mo. Sa mga panahong hindi ko alam kung may lugar pa ba ako sa buhay mo. Sa mga panahong ang tanging meron lang ako ay pag-asa. At ang totoo, pagod na pala ako. Hindi sa pagmamahal sa'yo. Hindi ako napagod na mahalin ka. Napagod ako sa paghihintay ng isang bagay na baka hindi naman talaga darating. Because somewhere along the way, I realized something. I wasn't holding on to you anymore. I was holding on to the version of you that love me back. The version of us that existed only in my mind. Yung mga future na binuo ko mag-isa. Yung mga pangarap na ako lang pala ang naniniwala. Yung mga pagkakataong iniisip ko kung baka balang araw, pipiliin mo rin ako. At siguro, yun ang pinakamahirap ilibing. Hindi ikaw, kundi yung mga pangarap na kasama ka. Hindi ikaw ang nawala, kundi yung mga mundong binuo ko kung saan ikaw ang dulo ng lahat. And you know what's ironic? That after all these years of loving you, ang pinakamahirap palang gawin ay hindi ang mahalin ka. Ang pinakamahirap ay tanggapin na baka hindi ikaw ang para sa akin. That maybe I was never your forever. Maybe I was just the person who arrived before forever. Yung taong nagturo sa'yo kung paano mahalin. Yung taong nagpakita sa'yo ng consistency. Yung taong nagbigay sa iyo ng assurance kapag natatakot ka. Yung taong nakinig lahat ng kwento mo. Yung taong nanatili sa kahit kung ano man ang nangyari. Only for someone else to arrive and receive the version of you that finally learn how to accept that love. At minsan inisip ko, what if I really was just a lesson? What if I was only meant to be a chapter in your life? A character development arc. A stepping stone. A bridge leading you to the person you were always meant to end up with. And God knows how much that thought hurts. Hindi dahil galit ako. Hindi dahil may pagsisisi. Kundi dahil gusto ikang maging dulo ng kwento ko. Pero baka ako lang pala yung isang pahinga sa kwento mo. Still, if there's one thing I learned from loving you, it's this. Love is not measured by who stays. Love sometimes is measured by who lets go. At siguro, ngayon ko lang naintindihan yun. Because if I truly love you, then I should stop asking life to force you into a place where your heart never wanted to stay. And if I truly love you, then I should stop holding your hand so tightly that neither of us can move forward. And if I truly love you, then maybe it's time to set you free. At siguro, pagyain ko na rin ang sarili ko from all the wailing, from all the hoping, from all the endless what ifs, and from the future that I kept trying to build with someone who may have never been building it with me. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi na kita mahal. Sa totoo lang, baka mahal pa rin kita bukas. At sa susunod na linggo. At baka kahit sa mga susunod na taon. But love is no longer enough reason for me to stay where I am not chosen. And that is a lesson I learned the hard way. So today, on this Independence Day, I am not celebrating because I won. I'm not celebrating because I moved on. I'm not celebrating because it stopped hurting. I'm celebrating because after all this time, I finally found the courage to loosen my grip, to stop chasing, to stop waiting, and to stop asking the universe for an answer it has given me all along. And if one day you find the love that was meant for you, I hope it is gentle. I hope it is patient. I hope it gives you all the things I spent years praying for you to have. And if that love is not me, then I hope you know that somewhere in this world there is a man who loved you enough to let you go. Not because he wanted to, not because he needed to, but because he finally understood that sometimes the greatest act of love is not holding on, it's saying goodbye. Kaya, maligayang araw ng kalayaan. Sa wakas, maligaya ka na. At siguro, ako rin.